Hello guys, today is February 21. We're going to unbox our egg incubator that I purchased from Cebu. So we will see now. We're stuck for 3 weeks because I have no egg to be incubated. My chicken did not lay eggs, and for a week now I have my layers, parents chickens are able to lay eggs. So we will experiment first with the parent chicken eggs. So this is a box. Okay. Let's see. This is manufactured from Cebu, guys. I don't know who's that guy. Only my son able to order this in Mandawi, Cebu City. Mandawi City in Cebu. So actually, this is worth 25,000 guys. 25,000 pesos. Let's see now. And we'll see what. So, what is this? So this is the front, guys. And this is the door. We'll open the door. Okay. So I have here for water. I have to put water here. Where is the put this water, and where is the instruction? Something here. You have to put water here, and where is the instruction? The water should be put on side bar there. Because this is the bar. Here. See here, guys. The water also here. Okay. And actually, guys, we'll put some water here. So there is a floater. So I have to put water. Yes, here. So I have to put some bulb. I will put some bulb now. We have some bulb here. This is the bulb is 100 watts. So 2 bulbs here. I have to put 2 bulbs. You can see here there is a. This is easy, guys. You'll see. So I have a source here for the power. Here. So I want to put power and see, guys. So I will force. I will. This is already set for 28.1 degrees Celsius. So, you see the chandler. What is this? On. So, this is when I want to check the eggs. If there is some, so I will press this one. So, this is the tray where when this, you will see if it is, guys, this is manual. We'll see this will work. When I put here, see, guys, it will work left, right, and this is manual, guys. So if I put left, oh, I put it also here, it will go on the other side. Normally, we'll see, because I will put the first the water, then see, we will put back, guys, on the off position. It is off position. So I can put the eggs here, guys. So this is how many. So first I will put water here. May apple lang open up. We are putting water here for the gallon. Oh, very bad.
Inoga na ini. Kana.
So we'll see also. The purpose of this, guys, this this will maintain the enclosure.
You funny.
Ako mong ibira good. 5. Wala na. Wala na. Hindi mo pinagduhan.
Oh, yun.
So we put the water there, here, and there is a hose, and it will go here, and they put some floater. This will control the water here. So, by the way, this will, the heat on this, it will be make humid inside. This is needed to control also the temperature. Guys, they already, this is automatic already, guys. Only this is automatic. So, if we close this one, now I close, I will put the eggs later on. Then, so guys, it is already having it's operating now. This is the ingenuity of a Filipino inventor. Actually, this is no longer what we call invent. He's only modifying, and he's making a box on this. And this is 25,000 pesos egg layer incubator. Egg incubator. So I can incubate here. This is total actually this is total 128. And you see, I did not count inside that, but according to the maker on this, so this is 120 or 140, I forget. We can incubate our eggs. Hello guys, I have here a total of 27 eggs, which was collected just a week ago and yesterday. The 7 days collection, because my pre-ring chicken, they started laying eggs. So the first day last week, just a week now, it was 3 for consecutive 3 eggs is laying every day. And then lately I got 6 is laying eggs in one day. So I have 19 hens and 1 rooster, guys. I already pictured that in my so because I lack a rooster, guys, because that rooster he able to kill another rooster. So only 1 I have in my farm. So total 20. I have 20 pre-range chicken. No, 1 rooster and 19 hens. And I able also to hatch through the help of our native hens. I have already smaller chickens there. I have 6 almost 3 months now, and I also have 3. This is almost 1 month. So still in the brooder. So that total I have there 29. And with the young pre-range, I got I think 3 roosters. So guys, I will put this now on the incubator. I just remove the tray, guys. One tray on the top. Actually, this we can put around 54 eggs here. So this is more than 54. So this is 162. So this is 162 egg laying machine. So I put one by one now on this tray. Guys, I already put the eggs on the tray. So that is total 27 eggs now. So that is my first for this guys, February 21. So again, after I collect next week, after 7 days, I will put another here. So how many we will collect in the farm, we will put here also. So this is 27 eggs on this date, February 21, 2023. So I close now. I-close June. Can close. May kakinay assistant. So guys, we will turn the tray in automatic mode. So that will move. It's moving now. So yeah, this is now automatic. Hop. Di ba mag-move? Di ba? Basi mag-move pa. Di ba mag-move? So it is automatic. It will move again, right and left. So we can see also here. So I see if the eggs is not pulling down. It's not pulling down, guys. So the temperature is coming up. This is already set up by the fabricator. So I'm nothing too worried about this egg incubator.